My name is Dr. Brandon Mahaffey with Exodus Chiropractic. And one of the questions I get a lot is, Doc, I feel healthy. Why do I need a chiropractor? And the first question I'll ask is, do you have any stress in your life? Right? It might be a funny question, but a lot of people don't think about that. And what is stress? Well, there's three main factors of stress. And we call them the 3 T's in our office. They're traumas, toxins, and thoughts. Traumas could be a slip and fall, car accident, maybe our posture at our job. Chemical or toxins could be air we're breathing, food we're eating, things we're putting on our skin, drugs we're taking. And then the last one is thoughts. That can be mental, emotional, and spiritual. All these types of stress can build up on our body and cause our body to not adapt as well in the environment that we're in. And my goal here isn't to say, hey, let's get rid of all the stress in your life. We want to be aware of them, but our main focus is to allow you to adapt better in the environment that you're in. And torque release technique does great at that. That is what we do here in our office to take you closer to your wholeness of health.